Okay, out on the trail again. 56 degrees. October 17th. Here comes Dark Matter Dan in Victoria. There he goes. And there she goes. So here's Dead Man's Bridge during the day. Little stagnant creek.
What time is it? I gotta be back at.
Here's the place where the railroad worker met his end. Beautiful.
Doesn't take that long to get down there.
Beautiful out here. A little bit less stagnant on this side. A little creepy at night down there, but pretty beautiful spot. We're gonna head on down the trail. I'm gonna see if I can one-hand the bike. Mark Bajanin has played this course several times before. Should be quite familiar with it. So here we go. Get this glove off so I can handle my phone and the bicycle. A little busy out here today. I'm doing the second test of this BTR 36 volt 25 amp hour battery. Right now shows I have 4 bars, but before I powered it off I had 3, and I've got 30.4 miles. The first test I got it up to 45.7 miles. I want to prove it out by hopefully doing that again, or at least coming close. Beautiful trail. Cornfields out this way. Solid trees over here. Let's see what's going on in the cheap seats back there. Stop sign. Yeah, there's Dark Matter Dan in Victoria. Dark Matter Dan can't go as fast on that trike because it's not stable at 25 miles an hour. Look at, there's Dark Matter Dan. and Victoria. All right, we're gonna wrap her up here. Thanks for watching. I'll be posting another video when this battery dies, hopefully 15 miles from now. I have a feeling it's not going to make it as far because there was way more start and stop, you know, shorter trips and park it overnight, in the cold for that matter. But we'll see. If you like this, give me a thumbs up.